To confirm your bank account on PayPal Business, start by logging into your PayPal account and navigating to the Wallet section. In this section, you will see a list of your linked bank accounts and credit cards. Click on the Link a Bank Account option to begin the confirmation process. You will be prompted to select your bank from a list of available options or enter the routing and account numbers for your bank account manually. If you choose to enter the information manually, ensure the numbers are correct to avoid any issues with the confirmation process. Once you have entered your bank account information, PayPal will make 2 small deposits into your account. These deposits are typically less than $1 and will be used to verify your account ownership. Wait for the deposits to appear in your bank account, which may take a few days depending on your bank's processing time. After the deposits have been made, return to the Wallet section in your PayPal account and click on the Confirm Bank Account option. You will be prompted to enter the amounts of the 2 deposits made by PayPal. Enter the exact amounts, including any cents, to complete the confirmation process. If the amounts you enter match the deposits made by PayPal, your bank account will be confirmed, and you can start using it to receive and send payments through your PayPal business account. It is essential to ensure the accuracy of the deposit amounts to avoid any delays in the confirmation process. Best practices for confirming your bank account on PayPal Business include double-checking your bank account information to ensure accuracy and waiting for the deposits to appear in your account before attempting to confirm. Additionally, keep your PayPal account and bank account information up to date to avoid any issues with transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily confirm your bank account on PayPal Business and start using the platform to manage your business finances efficiently.